Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review another Warrior Plus product that I purchased recently. And of course, I'm going to give my honest opinion, my honest review about this product. And I'm going to take you first to the sales page of this product and then to the back office of the product. So you will see what you're getting yourself into if you buy the product. And my review, it's not going to be based on scrolling through the sales page and reading everything to you as if you don't know how to read. I don't do that. I'm not that kind of reviewer or YouTuber, whatever you want to call it. So that's why I'm going to take you to the back office so you will see exactly, and I'm going to give you every information that you need to make the right decision. Now, before we jump into my laptop, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate that. Okay, so let's jump to my laptop right now. And as you can see right here, this is the sales page. And right away, you can tell that I'm talking about the Partner and Profit product. Now, this product was created and launched, obviously, by Michael Cheney. Before I purchased this product, obviously, of course, I did my research on Google, on Bing. I also asked Chat GPT about Michael Cheney, and apparently he's a very successful affiliate marketer or online marketer, however you want to call him. And he has been doing this for a long time now. So I'm thinking, well, why not purchase his product? Probably it's a training, and that's what it was. And probably I'm going to get some good advice from an expert, right? So this is the sales page of the product. And as you can see here, the product is $47, a one-time payment. Now, for a lot of you for some of you might be a lot of money or even not. However, watch this video and at the end, you will know for sure whether you want to purchase it or not. Okay, so like I said, I'm not going to read you everything that you can read yourself on the sales page. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump right away to the back office of my account. Obviously, if you purchase this product, you will have to create an account. And after you log in, this is the back office. As you can see here on the left, this is the structure of the product. On the left, there are 8 sections, including these 2 that you can call bonus sections. And on the right, there is a video for maybe more videos for each section. And it's Michael Cheney himself who does the training, of course. So the first section number 1, it's kind of a welcoming video. And also it talks about the live session that took place like 2 weeks ago, where he also talks about this product live. Okay, then number 2, partner with Michael. Getting started, he introduces again, starts to get more into this product. Get approval. Here, obviously, you're gonna have to create a Warrior Plus account because, like I said, this is a Warrior Plus product. And then maybe you have one, probably PayPal or Stripe as well. And also, you're gonna click here to get approval so you can get the affiliate link for this product. And after this training, you can start implementing the strategy to promote this product or whatever other product for that matter. Okay, so the moment you click here, it will take you to the Warrior Plus account. I've already been accepted, but here will be a button that will say request link or something like that, request, okay, and you will be accepted immediately. So section number 3, get AI powered email list. Now, I'm not going to go through this section because I'm going to tell you only this. When you're done, if you purchase this product, when you're done with the training, you won't even need this section and you will know why eventually. So step number 4, get AI powered promos. This is the same as per step number 3. Again, after finishing the strategy and starting to practice it a little bit, you will see that you won't need this as well. But obviously, I strongly recommend you watch every single video in this particular order, right? Step number 5, get AI powered Facebook traffic. Step number 6, get AI powered YouTube traffic. Step number 7, get AI powered blog traffic. These are the steps where I found value in. And by now, you probably have guessed that I do recommend this product. I'm pro this product, and I found a lot of value, not because of the AI tools or software that Michael Cheney uses, but because of the strategy that he uses and because of all the advices that he gives you. Those are priceless. So that's the value of this product, at least for me. Okay, so do not miss stamp number 5, 6, and 7. Now, if you knew how to get traffic from Facebook, think again, because Michael Cheney has a new strategy. The same goes for YouTube and the same goes for blog traffic. Now, section number 8 is profit prompts and tools. But again, after following this strategy and all of his advices, you won't even need this section after all, okay? And the last two sections, which are unnumbered but are like bonus sections, these are all the bonuses that you will find probably described in the sales page. I haven't gone to the sales page in such details, okay? And the last one is quite interesting because Michael Cheney here talks about other ways that you can use AI to make money online on other niche. Okay, not just only affiliate marketing, but in I don't know, maybe graphic design or stickers or whatever you feel you want to create. The point of this product is how to use AI efficiently and effectively. And trust me, you will save a ton of time. And by now, you know that time is money. And I'm going to tell you another fact, which I can't prove, but trust me, my click through rate after implementing this strategy or Michael Cheney's ideas or advices, my click through rate went up. How do I know this? Because my broadcast emails are starting to get more and more clicks. Okay, so as you can see, we're at the end of this product. Again, I find it totally worth it. Guys, if you have $47 that you can spare for this product, I totally recommend it. Okay, the value, again, it's not on the AI tools or softwares that Michael Cheney uses, but the value it's in it's his strategy and all of the advices that he will give you. Okay, so I think this covers it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you find value, and of course, you're going to find my affiliate link of this product in the comment section of this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.